Hi, it's Carol from Gay and Carol. Thanks for watching our new video. This one's on our additions to our canopy. Just a heads up that if I mention any sponsors, which is highly likely, we get no monetary value or anything, no kickbacks or anything from them. Just want to give you that as a bit of a disclaimer. Anyway, over to Gay.
So, this is our canopy, 3 years old-ish. We haven't done a video on it for quite some time, and there has been a lot of additions. So I'm not going to bore you with all that, let's just get into it. First up we have our battery system.
Oh, it's an Enerdrive. Look, Enerdrive.
The battery system has a 2000 watt inverter.
Which is on the other side, we'll show you that when we get over there.
And we've had it installed for approximately 2-ish years.
Yeah.
And we had one little minor incident with it, but overall it's been really good. It was a loosey-goosey wire, but we did it because we've got such a big battery system. We managed to maintain what we needed for off-grid.
That's a new way of going off-grid. It's Gay's way.
Off-grid for a week. This is our fridge freezer.
It's a Dometic CFX.
And this is our drop-down fridge slide.
It's a Clearview.
So we've had this now for about 18 months, I think it is. Approximately 18 months. We did previously have, when we first did our video, we had an Ironman
4x4 Ironman.
4x4 Ironman fridge freezer, and it no work anymore. So now we have a Dometic. This is our drawer system.
TC boxes, who the whole canopy's from as well.
So it's the TC boxes kitchen drawer system, I'm pretty sure of. So we've got a top drawer that we keep stuff in, and then we've got a bottom drawer that also slides out that we keep stuff in.
But we use this heaps. I use this for making cuppers and stuff like that, especially on the road, and also just general cooking on it. It's great.
We do have a little step that you may or may not see, but it does help a lot to get to a height that we need. How's that going for you? This is our pantry slide.
Which is TC boxes as well.
And again, it has stuff in it.
It has a lot of stuff in it, but the main thing we keep in here is our Jetboil, which is for Jetboil. Did I mention Jetboil? Jetboil's great for making our cuppers. We've got a lot of other stuff in there, but we don't need to go through all the products.
No.
Yeti though, it's great, Yeti. Love Yeti.
And that's pretty much the same for on top of the drawers. We've got all our stuff. And then if we slide this in, we've also got behind here, our table.
Quest. It's a Quest table.
And we've also got...
It's an Osprey grill. It goes over the fire, so you can put it on the fire and you can use like camp ovens or fry pans or woks and stuff like that. It's really good.
That's brand new on this trip. Now we'll go around to the other side. Alright, let's go. Oh, it's a bit windy today. Alright, what have we got? So now we're on the other side of the canopy, and this is our inverter.
Oh, it's an Enerdrive too. So it's a 2000 watt inverter, and we've got our Enerdrive battery in here as well. It's a 200 AH.
Yeah, so we've got all
Enerdrive. Did I mention Enerdrive? I'll quickly butt in here with Gay. We run our NutriBullet off it. It's a 1400 watt. Works really well. We've also got an air fryer we've started using. That's around the 1400 watt too. We barely lose 1% in our power when we use it, and it works an absolute treat. We've run the air fryer for about 20 minutes and barely dented our battery, so it's great. Moving on. Oh, did I mention we keep our Camp Boss light here? Great little tidy spot. Moving on.
Yes. Next up,
woohoo!
This is a really recent addition, is the drawer system. So we've got the drawers. They're approximately 800 deep. Oops. We've got the 1, 2, 3. This is my camp oven one. This is also a camp oven, Why do I have 3 camp ovens? Because I happened to win one in a damper competition.
Just on the drawers, just the products are from Bunnings, but the person who made them, who I'm trying to get the most sponsorship from, is Gay. She made these, she knocked them up. Oop, walks in front of the camera. She knocked these up in less than a week. She decided to do them just before we were heading out. She had less than a week to do it, and this is what she did. So she did an awesome job, and they've worked out so well. Because on top, we just keep our random stuff, like we've got the dog food, the camp oven, wood stuff, and we've got some more wood.
Camp oven?
It's a King Brown camp oven. Let me just mention King Brown there. All right, over to you, Gay. You can talk a bit about your drawers if you want.
Yes, so the drawers, there's not much I can really say. They've worked really well. We've had them trialled and tested on the road now for a couple of weeks. They've been fantastic. Yes, they are roughly finished. I didn't have time to, you know, finesse with things.
Did I mention less than a week?
Yes, so, yeah, so they are a little bit, you know, but we'll get there. And I think what I will do, if we can get over 100 likes, and I'm pretty sure we can, so that thumbs up, 100 likes. When we get to...
It's just one thumb, just so you know.
Yeah, okay. When we get to 100 likes, what I will do is I'll go over the drawers in more detail, how I did them, look at the inside of them, things like that. So, and any other questions that you might have, but only when we get over 100 likes. Don't forget to give that big thumbs up.
May as well subscribe if you're not already subscribed while you're there. Thanks for that.
Yeah, and the last thing that we've got on this side of the we've got it on both sides of the canopy, and hopefully we can see it, is our light system.
Hardcore. Careful you don't get the kick-ass shower tent in there. Hardcore lighting.
Yeah, so the lighting there, that lighting works really well. It pretty much, well, I know we've got the Camp Boss, and that covers a huge area. It's really good. These also, if we just want to use the car lights, they're fantastic as well.
They're great for fiddling around in the drawers and stuff. If you want to grab something out quickly, you just flick the lights on, bro.
Okay, and we've got our trundle drawer, and again we have stuff
from TC Boxes.
Again, we have stuff in here. So
Julka. That's our shower support bracket, which we carry with us just for support.
It hasn't been used yet. Anyway.
Yep, I'll hold the Julka.
And we have our
Snow
Peak
Peak
fire pit. It is a really, really good fire pit. And then we have...
Let me tell you quickly about this. If you have watched one of our previous videos where we highlight this is one of our 5 gifts, this is one of the most useless things we've carried with us. It takes up a bit of space. Don't get me wrong, we've still got a bit of time to use it, but you know, we'll see.
And also
my
our
favourite Donkey Long Tong. They're about 900 long. Have a look at the sizes of them. But the name, 2 lesbians carrying around Donkey Long Tongs. It never gets old with me.
Yeah, so we've got also an umbrella that we carry around here, a rake, and a few, mostly sort of things for camp cooking is what we carry in here.
Except for the Julka shower thing.
Yeah.
Gay does the packing. It's like Tetris and I get frustrated.
Yeah. So that's it.
Did I mention it was TC Boxes?
Lastly, this is on the canopy, I suppose. It's all of one. What is it?
TC Boxes, thank you.
And our under storage drawers box system. We pretty much haven't changed those since the first video. We did have the option though, just recently, to have the bigger ones, and we still opted to have the smaller ones. We don't mind them too much.
We don't overuse them, so they're more just, they literally are just for storage.
Yeah, storage, so air compressor is pretty much stays
Rags.
in there. Yeah.
Just general stuff. It's stuff that we don't, like our toolkits in here.
Yeah.
Stuff we can easily get to, but we don't use a lot.
Yes, yes.
I know, who thought lesbians wouldn't use a toolkit? Anyway, a lot.
Alrighty, so...
Excuse me, gotta move over.
Let's wrap this up.
Alright, done and dusted. So don't forget to give us 100 likes for Gay's Boxes.
And more, of course.
And more, yeah, more would be better.
Bugger it, we forgot one thing.
What's that?
Alright, before we wrap this up, we've still got one more thing on the canopy that we've done.
Oh, of course, yes.
Yes, so I'll have to lift you up so you can see it. But it is above here. We don't know what it is. Might have to pull the canopy down, please, Carol. What are they?
Solar panels.
How much?
We reckon around 300 watt. We can't quite remember the exact, but it's at least 300.
Yes. We don't know what make they are.
Installed by Battery World.
Yes, they
in
were.
Mornington, they were great.
Yes, they were. They're slimline ones, that's all I know. Very slimline. They're more than enough wattage.
They're over the top for us, but that's
Yeah.
what we wanted. We want to eventually just be able to constantly trickle feed the battery and just have it like that. And if
Yeah.
need be, we can chuck the caravan on if we want to.
Yes.
That's
Yeah,
it. That's
yeah.
it.
So the caravan doesn't have, we just use a blanket. It doesn't pump in as much, but if we need to top up the caravan, we can always plug it into these ones quite easily.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's wrap it up for our canopy. All right, that's a wrap on our canopy tour.
It is. Don't forget to give us 100 likes, or more if you can, to see Gay's boxes.
Please.
Build boxes, the boxes for the tray, not that sort, no.
No more. So the drawers.
That's it, that's the word, yeah, not our boxes, that's
Yeah,
wrong.
It's drawers.
Mm.
So to see the drawers, don't forget, more likes.
Subscribe, as I said, if you haven't, we're funny. Sounds good anyway.
It's our tagline. I'm not sure we are.
No, we think we are, that's
Yeah.
all that matters.
We like to have a bit of fun when we're doing this.
Yeah, that's us.
That's it.
Again, thank you for watching, appreciate it. Bye. Welcome to another one of our videos. This one's on the mods we've done on our 3-year-old canopy.
Mods.
Over to Gay.
Mods.